is no substitute for the ecological environment. It is hard to save what is lost. With innovative technology to start fluid ecology, Xinlei's footsteps never stopped. After time precipitation, we have been adhering to the core concept of innovation reflects value. Our company has obtained more than 200 domestic patents and a number of international authoritative qualifications. High-Tech Enterprise Certificate, China General Machinery Industry Association, Scientific and Technological Achievements Appraisal, and other honors. Our company was awarded as the Provincial Research Institute of Fluid Machinery Enterprises and the Provincial Research and Development Center of Fluid Machinery High-Tech Enterprises. Since its establishment, our company has been focusing on the research and development, production and sales of air compressor and centrifugal blower and other air power equipment. The annual output of all kinds of air compressors is 800,000 units. The main products include screw air compressor, piston air compressor, centrifugal blower covering more than 300 models. We will establish a domestic intelligent manufacturing center for high-speed magnetic suspension and air suspension blower and promote the transformation and upgrading of domestic power energy to cleanliness and high quality with our scientific and technological capabilities. Strong technical team equipped with domestic and foreign advanced high-precision processing equipment, automated robots and modern machine production lines to ensure that every link is efficient and reliable, from parts to the whole machine to ensure the stable performance of products. We control the quality layer by layer, achieve the unique number traceability quality control mechanism using highly professional testing equipment to accurately test the finished products, and developing a series of more optimized, more energy efficient, higher transmission of sophisticated products so that tangible products create unlimited value. Xinlei will continue to exert the power of science and technology and make more contributions in the field of fluid ecology. Xinlei has established a perfect after-sales service system, professional team technical support, fault analysis, timely processing, differentiated customization, complete internet platform solutions, resource sharing. Through continuous innovation, we create and share digital fluid ecology together with global customers and partners. Xinlei is committed to innovating green ecological technology and exploring the balance between human development and natural ecology with the power of science and technology. The light shall not be extinguished. We shall give testimony.
新磊始终专注于数字化流体生态建设，让清洁高效的流体动力成为提升企业生产力和生态友好之间的平衡点。我们期待通过智慧科技助力全球碳中和事业，勇担民营企业的时代责任。
通过合理的流场计算以及高阶模态计算，为用户提供稳定高效的产品，一直是我们新磊的追求。不浮不躁，一生只做一件事，围绕着用户寻找品质和效率突破。
我们执着地反复钻研制造工艺，就是想把产品做好，为客户节省电费，为社会节约能源，是做好事，很光荣。
Xinlei products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions in the world. The total operating time of the equipment was more than 2.9 million hours, and the users of the energy-saving equipment collectively saved about 178 million kilograms of carbon emissions. We are proving to the world that Chinese companies are responsible. With wisdom and innovation, we are writing a legend of the times for the world. Xinlei, reform aerodynamics, achieve industrial ideals.